Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. To another ASMR video. In this video, we're gonna be attempting to complete some math. I like watching these videos on YouTube, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm shit at maths. So we got some of the easiest questions right here. And I'll probably still get some of them wrong. Leave a comment if I got one wrong. This is some algebra. So it's 2x plus 3 equals 11. So, if y'all don't know algebra, if y'all don't know this algebra, then y'all are kind of cooked. But basically, we're trying to find x, and how much x is. So we need to get x on one side, and then any other number, like this number, on this side. So basically we have to switch it around until we get x is equal to. So right here, it's 2x plus 3 equals 11. So we're gonna need to get this tray. Over this side. So we get 2x alone. So also a rule is what you do to one side. So this is a side right here. This is basically separate. And then this is one side. So what you do to one side, you must do to the other side. Okay. So to get rid of 3 on this first one, I'm gonna minus 3 here. Minus 3 equals. And so if we minus 3 from this side, that would just equal 2x equals. And we must minus 3 from the other side. So we do 11 minus 3 equals 8. x is equal to, we're gonna need to divide this side and then divide this side. So if we divide 2x divided by 2, and then that equals x. So then we go this side, divided by 2. That is equal to 4. So 1x, or just x, is equal to 4. So that's the first question. A N S equals 4. Okay. So next one. Now that y'all got the hang of it, I'm gonna do it a bit faster. So we have a minus 4 here. So if we were to do minus 4 on this side, that would be wrong, because minus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 8, which would leave us still with some numbers on the left side here. So instead, we're gonna need to do plus 4. So this would just be 3x, and then we do a plus 4, because this is separate sides, and that is equal to 12. So we're looking for what x is. So to find what x is, we're gonna have to divide by 3. So we divide that side by 3 to get x. Then we divide this side by 3, which is 4. So we get a and s equals 4. Okay. So next one here. 5x plus 2 equals 17. Okay, so this is a plus 2 right here. So we're gonna try get it on this side by doing a minus 2 to both sides. So that would leave us with 5x equals 15. Okay. Now we need 1x, 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 1x. So of course again, we're gonna divide by this number right here, which is 5. And then divide this by 5 to get x switch that. Alright, we have 10x. 10x minus 3 is equal to 98. Oh wait, let me switch that back to 2. Okay, so in this one, we're gonna be down plus 2 again, of course, and then plus 2. So we're left with 10x is equal to 1, 10, 0. In other words, 100. So we're gonna then need to divide by 10. To get x equal 10. That's the first page complete. But don't worry guys, we have a second page. And we have a third page actually. So this is gonna be a long video. These ones are a little harder. So here you can see we have the term we are trying to find, which is x, but it's on both sides. So what the hell do we do? We have to first get the term x on one side, like last time, and then we can get the term 7 and 3 on the right side, and then the term x and 2x on the left. So to get that, we can either do minus 3 to this side and then to both sides, or we can get minus x to this side and then to this side. So I'm just gonna do minus 3. So we got minus 3 to this side and then minus 3 to this side. That would leave us with 2x is equal to x plus 4. Okay, so now that we have this term gone and this term on this side, then we can finally take x away from this side and then take x away from this side. So once we do that, we're left with x is equal to plus 4, or just 4. Okay, next one. So we got 4x minus 5. That's not 5. 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 6. Okay. So we're gonna do the the same thing here. We're gonna do plus 2 and then plus 2. So we're left with 4x equals 4x equals 2x plus 8. So then finally we're gonna do minus 2x and then minus 2x, and then we get 2x equals 8, and then finally we're gonna divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, next one. So we have 3x, 3 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 12. Just 12. So our first step is gonna be to expand the brackets. So we're gonna do 3 by x, and then we're gonna do 3 by 2. So we got 3x plus 6 equals 12. So we're gonna take 6 away. From both sides to leave us 3x equals 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, and then we're gonna divide by 3 on both sides. So we're gonna get x is equal to 2. Next one here, we're gonna do the same thing and expand the brackets. So we're gonna get 2x minus 10 is equal to 6. So y'all already know the drill. We're gonna need to go plus 10 because it's a minus, and then plus 10 on the right side. So that'll leave us with 2x equals 16. And then divide by 2. And then divide by 2. So we're going to get x is equal to 8. Final answer. Last page, guys. These shit is you wanna get the x term on the side with the most. Yeah, I just messed that up. But basically, see the way this is 2x here, and this is 3x. If we were to minus 3x, that would leave us with minus x is equal to. And we could just divide, but it's better to just avoid the whole thingy thing if we don't have to do it. Okay, so here we're gonna do plus 4 on both sides. So we got 2x plus 7 equals 3x. And then we're gonna minus 2x from this side. We're gonna minus 2x and then minus 2x. So we're left with 7 equals x, or x equals 7. Okay, next up here, we're gonna complete the brackets here first. So we got 5x plus 10. And that's equal to 3x plus 16. So again, we can do this two different ways. We can minus 3x to this side, or we can minus 16 to that side. Oh no, sorry, we can minus 10 to that side. So, yeah, let's do it. Let's go minus 10 from both sides. And that would equal to 3x equals 5x. Wait, no. 3x plus 6. Yeah, 3x plus 6 is equal to 5x. So from there we want to take the 3x away from both sides. So we're left with 2x equals 6. So then we divide by 2 to get x is equal to 3. Okay, last one here. This one's a little different. I thought I'd show you guys this one. So when we have a fraction, like here, it's the same as if we were to have a, like, it's the same as this 3x. Well, it's not the same, it's actually the exact opposite. But in this one, we divide. And since this one is basically write it as 3x divided by 2 plus x divided by 3 equals 10. If we want to get rid of this divide, we need to multiply. So to get x by itself, we're going to need to multiply this by 2. And then we get x. also gonna have to multiply the right side by 2 to get 20. Okay. So we still have our fraction here. So if we want to get rid of this and just get the x, we're gonna need to multiply by 3 this time, because the denominator is 3. So we're gonna go multiply by 3 and then multiply by 3. So we're left with x plus x equals 60. 60, which just means 2x equals 60. So we're gonna have to divide by 2 and then divide this by 2 to get x equals 30. There we have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, so if you all would like to see videos like this in the future, please let me know. Maybe I'll search up some harder algebra so we can solve it together. Hope you guys had a great rest of your day. Peace out.